Keep seeing a few common mistakes being made when people are doing their sock curls. So today I want to walk you through the do's and don'ts to ensure that your sock curls turn out like this every single time. When you're wrapping the hair, do not wrap it around like this, like a candy cane. You do not want spaces in between. Do wrap tightly, close in by each other, leaving no gaps all throughout the hair so that you just have one piece like that. Do start on completely dry hair. Do not do it with wet hair. My hair is completely dry. I like to add a little spritz of hairspray along the strands and then begin. Do not twist your hair around while wrapping. You don't want it to be a hot, twisted mess. As you can see, I'm pulling it straight. I'm not twisting the strands and the hair is going on very nicely. Zero twists. And last but not least, do not move both of these at the same time. You should not be twisting them together like this. Think of the sock as your anchor, so the sock is not moving. You're just wrapping the hair around the sock, you know? These are just a few of the mistakes that I've been seeing, so hopefully when you guys try it this way, you will be left with the perfect heatless curls.